Hi friends, today I brought a new concept for the kids, that is after, so that kids can easily understand about the concept of after. After concept is really very easy for the kids. For this explanation, I am taking some numbers from 1 to 10 so that the concept can be easily understood for the kids. For that, here I have taken numbers from 1 to 10. For this concept, first the kids should know the numbers from 1 to 10 in sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For forward counts, here after is nothing but next. After is nothing but what of it? Next. The number which comes next to the number which is asked. Understood? For this, what are the numbers we have taken off here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, now we have taken numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, what comes 1 after?
2,
2 after?
3,
3 after?
4,
4 after?
5,
5 after?
6,
6 after?
7,
7 after?
8,
8 after?
9,
9 after?
10.
Understood? After is nothing but the number which comes next to the number which is asked. For example, here what is mama asking? The mama is asking about 2. What comes 2 after?
3,
Means we should see the number next to the number which is asked. What comes 4 after?
4 after 5,
Means we have to see the number next to the number which is asked. Here what we are asking?
4,
4. Mama is asking 4. What comes next to the 4?
5.
Okay, what comes next to the 8?
Next to 9,
Understood? Next after. What comes 8 after?
9.
After is nothing but next. Understood? What is the meaning of after?
After
Next.
next.
The number which comes next to the number which is asked. See here. You tell now. 1 after?
2, 2 after 3, 3 after 4, 4 after 5, 5 after 6, 6 after 7, 7 after 8, 8 after 9, 9 after 10.
Understood? After is nothing but next. The number which comes next to the number which is asked.
Yes, come on.
Understood? I will ask you some questions of you know the numbers now from 1 to 10. Next. You know the concept of next? Next after means next. After means
Next,
after means
next,
next. For example, I'll remove this. Now you tell what comes next. Next to 2. 2 after?
3,
2 after?
3,
Understood? If you don't know the numbers, then what you do means first you tell here 3 after.
3 after 4,
If you don't know what you do, you count from 1. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Understood? In the beginning, if it is very tough for you, what will you do? You count from beginning, from the first. Now I will remove this. Now you tell what comes 7 after?
8,
7 after?
8.
If you don't know, what should you do?
Count first.
Count from?
Count from first.
Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
8.
8.
Understood? Okay. Now I'll remove this. Now you tell what comes 4 after?
5.
4 after? 5. If you don't know, what should you do?
Count with first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good. Now I will remove this. Now you tell Afi, what comes 6 after?
6 after 7.
If you don't know, what should you do?
Count with first.
Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Understood? Now you understood the concept of after?
Yes, Mama.
After means?
Next.
Next. After means?
Next.
Okay. Now I will remove all this. Now you tell Lafi. What comes 7 after?
8.
7 after?
8.
Very good. Now I'll take this. Now you tell Lafi. What comes 9 after?
9 after 10.
Very good. 9 after? Very good. 9 after 10.
10.
Okay, I'll take 2. Now you tell Lafi. What comes 2 after?
2 after 3.
If you don't know, what should you do?
Come with first.
Understood? What is the meaning of after?
After this, next.
Understood? After means next. The number which comes next to the number which is asked. Understood? Okay, now I'll take some other examples. Wait. Afi, what is this?
Brinjal.
This? Star fruit. What is this?
Star fruit.
This?
Kiwi.
This?
Carrot.
Okay, now I have taken 4 fruit. I mean 4. You tell the number which are here. Which comes after brinjal?
After brinjal, star.
Star fruit. Very good. Which comes after kiwi?
After kiwi.
After kiwi. Focus.
After kiwi, carrot.
Carrot. Understood? Now I'll change. Now I'll ask. What comes after kiwi?
After kiwi.
After kiwi. Focus.
After kiwi, star.
Understood? After means next. The number which comes next to the number which is asked. Here see. This is kiwi. This is star fruit. See here. Don't shout off. This is kiwi. What comes after kiwi?
Star fruit.
Very good. Star fruit. You should see. Okay, what is present next to the kiwi? What is present next to the kiwi?
Star fruit.
Okay, after. What comes after kiwi? Star fruit.
Star fruit.
Okay, now you tell what comes next to kiwi?
Next to kiwi.
Next.
Next,
Next to kiwi.
carrot.
Understood? Now you tell what comes next to brinjal?
Next to
After
brinjal.
brinjal.
After brinjal, carrot.
Very good.
Ay.
Now what comes after kiwi?
After kiwi, star fruit.
What comes after carrot?
After carrot, brinjal.
What comes after brinjal?
After brinjal, kiwi.
Very good. Now you understand the concept
Yes, mama.
about the after?
Yes.
What is the meaning of after? After means
After means next.
next. Which is next to the number which is to which it is asked. See here. Now you tell. What comes after brinjal?
After brinjal, strawberry.
Strawberry.
My favorite.
While answering the question, you should focus
I forget
which is asked. What here is asked? Mama asked about?
brinjal.
Okay, you should focus on brinjal. Next, what Mama told? After brinjal. After means?
After brinjal.
After means
Next.
next. Next to brinjal. What is next to brinjal?
Next to brinjal, strawberry.
Understood? What is next to brinjal?
Strawberry.
What is next after to kiwi? After to kiwi.
After to kiwi,
After to kiwi.
star fruit.
Understood? After means?
Next.
Okay, you tell what is after strawberry?
After.
Tell Afi. What is the concept of after? After means?
Next.
Next. See here. This is strawberry. This is kiwi. You tell me what comes after after strawberry?
After strawberry, kiwi.
Means what Mama asking here? Strawberry. You should focus on
So,
strawberry. After means
next.
next. Next to
Strawberry.
what is next to strawberry?
Kiwi.
Understood? You tell me what comes after carrot?
After carrot, brinjal.
Means you should first focus on
Carrot.
Notice. Next. Next may after means next. What is next to carrot?
Brinjal.
Understood the concept? At last, what is the meaning of after? After means
After next.
next. Next to the number or the object which is asked. Understood?
Just come.